sorry thou wilt leave my father so. Our house is hell, and thou, a merry devil, didst rob it of some taste of tediousness. But fare thee well. There is a ducat for thee, and Launcelot, soon at supper thou shalt see Lorenzo, who is thy new master's guest. Give him this letter. Do it secretly. And so, farewell. I would not have my father see me and talk with thee.
Adieu. Tears exhibit my tongue, most beautiful pagan, most sweet Jew. Oh, if a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived. But adieu, these foolish drops do something, drown my manly spirit. Adieu.
Farewell, good Launcelot. Alack, what heinous sin is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child. But though I am a daughter to his blood, I am not to his manners. Oh, Lorenzo, if thou keep promise, I shall end this strife, become a Christian, and thy loving wife.
Nay, we will slink away in supper time, disguise us at my lodging, and return all in an hour.
We have not made good preparation.
We have not spoke as yet of torchbearers.
'Tis vile unless it may be full prepared, and better in my mind not undertook.
'Tis now but 6 o'clock. We have some hours to furnish us. Friend Lancelot, what's the news?
And it shall please you to break up this, and shall seem to signify.
I know the hand, in faith. 'Tis a fair hand. And whiter than the paper it writ on is the fair hand that writ.
I love news in faith.
By your leave, sir.
Whither goest thou?
Marry, sir, to bid my old master the Jew to sup tonight with my new master the Christian.
Oh, hold here. Take this. Tell gentle Jessica I will not fail her. I speak it privately. Go, gentlemen. Will you prepare you for this mask tonight? I am provided of a torchbearer.
Aye, Mary, I'll be gone about it straight.
And so will I. Meet me in Gratiano at Gratiano's lodging, some 3 hours hence.
'Tis good we do so.
Was not that letter from fair Jessica?
I must needs tell thee all. She hath directed how I shall take her from her father's house, what gold and jewels she is furnished with, what page's suit she hath in readiness. If e'er the Jew her father come to heaven, it will be for his gentle daughter's sake. Come, go with me, peruse this as thou goest. Fair Jessica shall be my torchbearer.